Hey, good morning. This is Coach Sean with Be Your Own Art. Let's get ready for these overnight oats. You take a cup of oats, a half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, I like Chobani preferably, a scoop of your favorite powdered protein, a quarter cup of berries, and a quarter cup of almonds. But if you're allergic to nuts, you can leave that out. This meal right here is so high in protein and fiber, and it's very, very filling. You're going to put everything in that mason jar, get it ready to rock and roll for consumption in the morning. So then when you get up in the morning, you can add a little bit of soy milk or almond milk or coconut milk, whatever you prefer. If you're allergic to nuts, you can stay away from that. You got to remember, you fail to prepare to fail. And that's in every area of your life. So enjoy these overnight oats. Like, tag, share. Follow me on all social media platforms at Be Your Own Art or Be Your Own Art 7. This is Coach Sean, and I want you to have a blessed day this Motivation Monday.